We're going to get started, so everybody start to take a seat and we'll get going here. Come on down. Wrap up your conversations and take a seat, please. I hear there's an accident on the freeway. What else is new? People are behind. Come on in, gather up. Gather up, come on in. We have some seats designated for our WREN members here, right in front. Come on in. How's everybody doing this morning? Are you excited as I am? Oh. Hi, my name is Deborah Razzo, and I just want to welcome you to Ignite Your Fire Within. It's WREN's second annual event, and oh, okay, I've been told to hold off. There's a bunch of people at registration. Great. So welcome. Welcome to Ignite Your Fire Within, our second annual event. And first of all, I just want to say thank you. I know what it takes to get here sometimes, right? Coordination with kids and spouses. And I just want to say that we value your time and we hope to over-deliver on your expectations. For those of you that aren't familiar with WREN, let me just give you a little bit of information about us. Our objective is to create a community for women in real estate, to empower each other and help each other grow, to provide resources for each other, and generally to have fun doing it. How's that sound? So I'm excited to have you here, but I'm even more thrilled that you guys are taking steps in your lives to whatever it is that dream is for you that real estate might produce. I've been an entrepreneur for over 20 years. I've had 4 different businesses, and I currently own and operate 2 of them. I started in real estate about 8 years ago. Why? Why real estate? Do you guys ask that? What does real estate really equate to? Is it money? Yeah. It's definitely money. But for me, it was something else. It was what money could get me. Freedom. I wanted time freedom. I wanted to be able to travel. I wanted to be able to spend more time with my family. I wanted freedoms. You see, 9 years ago, my anniversary for this is coming up at the end of the month, I had an opportunity to start over. Has anybody ever had one of those? Yeah. So for some people, that might be an illness or a divorce or the death of a loved one. For me, it was a car accident, a really bad car accident. I was in a car that flipped, and it flipped driver's side first. And I was in the passenger side, and I took the brunt of the impact. I cracked my head open, and I broke my neck. I know, kind of crazy, huh? So, it took a while for me to recover. After a couple surgeries and about a year of recovery, the doctor signed off on me. And during that year, I had a lot of time to think. Think about how I wanted to live life, right? Think about how I wanted to spend my time. Now, I had a nice life, don't get me wrong. But I remember describing it to somebody as when my alarm went off in the morning, it felt like somebody shooting a gun at a race, right? Between the kids and my man and my girlfriends and my family and my aging mother, it just felt like at the end of the day, I was crashing into the bed and I just didn't have time. And I wanted to change that. After I had an opportunity to think about how I wanted to spend my time, I was really realizing life is short, and I want to spend my time however I want it. And I started, and I started researching how to do that, different forms of passive income.